Hello everyone, welcome to our monthly recap webinar. This is our first ever webinar at FlyWP as a monthly recap webinar. I am Mahbub from FlyWP as a host, and joining me today is Tanvir as our guest. We have had a lot of requests to do these monthly recaps as webinars, so we are excited to start this today, and we plan to do this webinar every month. In October 24, we have released some exciting features that include affiliate program for everyone, Redis credential for access, and some fixes on FlyWP. So let's get started. I'll pass it over to Tanvir to take from here. So Tanvir, you may start.
Thanks, Mahbub. Hello, everyone. Hope you are doing great. We have released a brand new affiliate program on FlyWP. We brought this module to give our
Tanvir,
users and
I can't see the webinar page actually. Blog page. Can you show the blog page,
yes,
please?
yes.
Yeah, it's
Thanks
showing
for
now.
reminding me.
Thanks.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, thanks, Mahbub. Hello, everyone. Hope you are doing great. We have released a brand new affiliate program on FlyWP. We bought this module to give our users and WordPress enthusiasts a way to earn more by promoting our product. For every sale made through your referral link, you earn a 20% commission, no cap on earnings. Okay, so let's get to the key benefits of FlyWP affiliate program. We have lucrative commissions, a small like 20% commission on each sale, a flat commission with no limit. You will get a recurring commission up to 3 months. Then we have super affiliate program. It's if you can bring more resales and leads, you'll get more than regular 20% commission based on your performance. To achieve it, you'll just need to contact us after this, and we'll take the necessary steps accordingly. We have exclusive bonuses for hitting specific sales milestones, priority resources, for access to premium marketing contents for strategic promotions, which will be provided by us. And we will give personalized mentorship, marketing assets, dedicated affiliate mentor, dedicated and exclusive affiliate offers, special deals to make FlyWP highly appealing to your audience. So, how to join as an affiliate? Joining the affiliate program is very simple actually. Let's show you around. It's already in this tab, but I'll show you around how you can achieve it. Okay. So I have already logged into my server. Then we'll go to the server. Let's go to this site. Okay. So for this site, I'm gonna give to like go to this account page, account tab. Then we'll go to the referral tab. Here you'll see the referral link. Copy it, and then you can just send it to your customer where you wanna promote this FlyWP. I want to show you the manage and request payouts. If I'm gonna click on it, I have to log in. So I have made these things earlier to make it simple. You just have to log into your account by clicking on here. It will give you a link to your inbox, and you have to reset your password to log into there to the affiliate program dashboard. So I have already done that. So this is the dashboard. Here you can see the clicks of your referral link, the signups, how many signups were there, and sales revenues. On the another tab of referrals, you can see you can search over here and filter it out with sale and signups and all over it with any. You can also pick dates to search it. We have resource tab. Here you can create your own referable URL. We have already given the basic default one and an additional one. From here you can see the payouts. Hmm. Yes, I can see that. Right now we don't have any payouts, so it's not showing up there. But if you have some balances in here and paid, then you can access this from there. This information will be visible over here. For one thing, for your reminder that if you want to pay out your amount, then at least you have to earn around $100. Before $100, you cannot pay out your balance. That's all for the FlyWP affiliate, Mahbub.
Yeah, actually, thanks a lot for covering the affiliate program. Let's move to our next feature, which is Redis credential access.
So we had a lot of requests for the Redis credentials access actually. So we'll dig into it. The key features of Redis credentials access are full credential access. You will have full visibility and control over your Redis credential. You get Redis host, Redis username, Redis prefix, and Redis password. You can copy the data and use where you required. You can just access to the data from your dashboard. I will show it to you. Give me a moment, please. Mm. I'm not stuck, by the way. It's just loading. So here you
It's
can
all
just
right.
go to the site and go to the Manage tab. Here is all of the information you need for the Redis host, username, prefix, and Redis password. Mahbub, I'm giving you the
So that's
floor.
nice. Yeah. So let's wrap these things with our other hot fixes that we released in the last month.
The hot fixes and platform enhancements were some major updates for making the FlyWP smoother for our customers. One of those things are user agent header added, and there was a dynamic update counts. For all the updates are now dynamically fetched in the site update page. I guess you all know that. I'm gonna show you. So over here, you can just go over there and update those plugins and themes, even reload site data if you want. And some enhancements we made for FlyWP helper plugin and API. And the wireless compatibility is much more easier and smoother than before. And for the upcoming releases and feature suggestions our customers made, we are working on the uptime monitor and white label, revamp MySQL configuration, SMTP verification process, and some fixes which are pending. And we are really unfortunate for the fixes actually, and we really appreciate your support throughout the whole process.
So thank you a lot. Now let's open up the floor for a few questions from our audience. And I request our audience to ask some questions regarding our affiliate program or Redis credentials or any other hot fixes that we released in October 24. So let's wait a few moments, then we can end this, inshallah.
Yes, sure, Mahbub. Let's see what our customers have for us. Thank you, Attila Badri, for staying up with us.
So, is there anyone that have questions regarding our webinar?
I guess, Mahbub, everyone knows a lot about these things already. So,
Yeah, yeah, probably they know more than us. So, if you have further more questions or if you have any suggestions, feel free to submit your feature request or suggestions to feedback.flywp.com. Or if you face any problems or issues you are having with FlyWP, then please open a ticket at support@flywp.com. We hope you enjoyed this recap, and thank you all for joining our first monthly recap webinar. Be sure to check this out, the blog that we published in the last month, and feel free to join our Facebook community. We'll be back by next month with more updates. Have a great day. Thank you, everyone.
thank you, everyone. And one more thing to mention that if you have some features or suggestions, we are always open to hear, and we are all ears for you. For the all of the supports you have given us, that pushes us a lot. And thanks for staying with us. Have a good day.
Yeah, thank you.